Ferrari F8 Tributo 2027, this isn't just an update, it's a statement. But what if I told you Ferrari quietly hid something in this car that could change how you think about supercars forever? Would you still call it just another evolution? The first glance hits you like a heartbeat skipping a beat. Sharp lines, tighter than before, almost like the car is breathing even when it's still. The front fascia looks more aggressive, the LED signature slicing through the air like a blade, and those sculpted intakes aren't just for show, they pull you in. Around the back, the quad taillights glow like embers, and the stance, low, wide, intimidating. It feels alive. And just when you think you've figured it out, you step closer, and realize the real story starts inside. You drop into the seat, and everything wraps around you like it was built for your body alone. The leather feels handcrafted, the carbon fiber cool under your fingertips, and the cabin is quieter than you'd expect, until it's not. The driving position is pure focus, minimal distractions, yet somehow more luxurious than before. It's not just a cockpit, it's a command center. And then your eyes land on the digital cluster, and that's when you realize Ferrari is playing a completely different game now. The interface responds instantly, almost like it knows what you want before you touch it. There's augmented driving data layered into your view, and here's the twist, a predictive driving assist that learns your habits over time. Yeah, your Ferrari learns you. That's new. And if you're still watching, hit like right now, because this next part is where things get serious. Under the hood, it still carries that iconic twin-turbo V8, but now tuned to push around 740 horsepower. 0 to 60. Just under 2.8 seconds. It's brutal, but controlled. The shifts feel telepathic, the grip unreal, and yet, it's more refined in daily driving. Fuel efficiency even gets a slight improvement, making it surprisingly usable for longer drives. Compared to something like the Lamborghini Huracán Technica, this feels sharper, more precise, but also more intelligent. And trust me, there's one thing Ferrari hasn't told you yet. Safety isn't something you usually talk about in a Ferrari, but here's the shocker, the 2027 F8 Tributo introduces an AI-assisted predictive safety system that scans road conditions, driver behavior, and even fatigue levels. If it senses something off, it subtly adjusts performance, braking readiness, even steering feedback. It doesn't take control away, it keeps you in control. That's the hidden reveal. It's not just fast, it's watching out for you in ways no Ferrari ever has before. And imagine this, late-night drive, empty road, city lights reflecting off that red paint, the engine humming behind you, and the car just understands you. Not fighting you, not overwhelming you, just syncing with you. That's a different kind of connection. That's something you feel. So here's the truth, insane performance, stunning design, smarter than ever, but maybe a little less raw than old-school purists might want. Is that evolution, or compromise? You tell me. Would you take this over its rivals, or does it lose a bit of that classic Ferrari soul? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe, because you don't want to miss what's coming next.